Welcome to the Golden Hours. I'm Mary Golden from Dream Productions. Here I have a very special guest, the woman who has been near and dear to my heart for my whole life. It's my mom, Celeste. Hello, welcome to
Hi.
the show.
Thanks, Mara.
So, first I'm going to ask you, you have two daughters, you have a huge extended family. What's it like going from having only one sister to having seven seven in-laws, essentially?
It's quite a bit different. The first time I met your dad's family was Christmas Day, and the extended family, cousins, aunts, uncles, everyone was there. It was about 80 people. All I did was make a mental note to myself. I needed to make sure I remembered the parents, the brothers, and the sisters. I would work on the extended family later on, but I needed to get the immediate family. So he hadn't really warned me what to expect, so I kind of felt like I was thrown to the wolves, but they're very friendly, so it made me feel very welcome. So.
For sure. And you have a love of reading and a love of books and everything that has to go with that. How did you feel when your kids became avid readers?
That was one of my goals. I wanted them to learn to enjoy reading as much as I did. And my mother had always loved reading, so it's sort of kind of through the family type, we shared the love of reading. I just found it was just a really great way to escape.
Yeah. So now we've seen a lot of movies together. What recently have you seen that you've just enjoyed watching?
I liked In the Heights. I enjoyed that movie. The music was peppy. It had a pretty good theme about it. I mean, it just was really upbeat, and as I said, the music was good. It wasn't one genre, it was a couple different ones, which was nice.
Now, you're a dog lover, so obviously, what was it like, growing up with pets all around you?
Oh, it was awesome. They gave unconditional love. We had a really good one when I was growing up. She was very obedient. She actually was like one of the family. Unfortunately, your grandpa always used to give her table scraps, which made Grandma kind of mad and kind of spoiled her, but they were really good dog, very good. Because we had been afraid, my sister and I had been afraid of dogs prior to that.
For sure. So, I think, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for being here. Stay tuned for more on the Golden Hours. I'm Mary Golden.